Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our fifth lecture is about fifth part of speech, adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. The distinct feature of this definition of adverb is that adverb modifies a verb, it modifies an adjective, it modifies another adverb, or even a whole sentence. Adverbs often end in ly, but some are exceptions. A large number of adverbs end in ly. However, there are some exceptions. Below are given these four sentences in which we have made use of adverb to signify adverb so that you may understand it well. He sings loudly. Loudly modifies the verb sing. It is an adverb. He is a very tall boy. Very modifies the adjective tall. This is an adverb. His speech ended too quickly. To modifies the adverb quickly. Another adverb. Fortunately, I brought an umbrella. The adverb fortunately modifies the whole sentence. The first sentence given as an example lies here. The adverb modifies a verb. In the second sentence, an adverb modifies an adjective. And in the third sentence, an adverb modifies another adverb. And in the fourth sentence, an adverb modifies the whole sentence. Below are given these some exceptions. As we know that a large number of adverbs follow or end in ly. However, these are some exceptions which do not end in ly. Quite, well, very, not, more, less, tonight, here, always, never, ever, often, seldom, sometimes, near, outside, somewhere, there, upstairs, and fast. Do remember that we have collected here these some exceptions. However, there are many other exceptions as well which do not end in ly. However, the large number of adverbs, very large number of adverbs end in ly. There are different kinds of adverb. First kind of adverb is adverb of manner. An adverb of manner describes or tells how someone does something or how something happens. The distinct feature of this definition of adverb of manner is that it tells how someone does something or how something happens. Below are a few adverbs of manner given as an example: angrily, happily, easily, sadly, rudely, loudly, carelessly, cheerfully, deliberately, and carefully. Afterwards follow these four examples in which we have made use of adverb of manner. He came quickly. Quickly modifies the verb came, and it indicates the manner which he followed. Do it well. Well is adverb which modifies the verb do, and it also indicates manner of doing something. He did his work slowly. Slowly modifies the verb did, and it also indicates the manner which he followed or which he adopted to do this work. She passed the exam easily. Easily is an adverb which modifies the verb past, and it also indicates the manner which she adopted or which she had to pass the examination. So these were four examples in which we made use of adverb of manner. The second kind of adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place describes where an action or something happened. where an action or something happened. These are some adverbs of place: near, there, here, somewhere, inside, outside, high, around, above, below, behind, anywhere, backward, elsewhere, and towards. These are some adverbs of place given here as an example. However, there are many other adverbs of place used in English language. Below follow these three sentences in which we have made use of adverb of place. They travel down the mountain. Down modifies the verb travel. This is an adverb and it indicates place. There is money everywhere. Everywhere is an adverb and it indicates it indicates some place in the sentence and modifies the verb. We must rest here. Here is an adverb of place. It modifies the verb rest and it indicates some place. So the first kind was adverb of manner. The second kind is adverb of place. We had some examples to illustrate both these adverb of manner and adverb of place. Next kind of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time describes when exactly the action happened. Well, simply speaking, adverb of time indicates when the action happened. Again, early, never, now, soon, then, today, tomorrow, tonight, yesterday are the examples given to illustrate an adverb of time. However, there are many other adverbs of time used in English language. The examples used in these three sentences are: he forgot his lunch yesterday. Yes, yesterday indicates time. I went to him today. Today indicates time. I have to go now. Now indicates time. These adverbs of time, yesterday, today, now, indicate time and modify their verbs. The fourth kind of adverb is adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often or how frequently something happens, or how many times something happened. How frequently something happens is the distinct feature of adverb of frequency. These are a few adverbs of frequency given below: weekly, daily, yearly, often, rarely, always, annually, constantly, generally, hourly, and eventually, and the last one later. These are some adverbs of frequency given here to indicate adverb of frequency. However, there are many other adverbs which are used as adverbs of frequency in English language. Below are these four sentences in which we have exemplified adverb of frequency. The first sentence is: we take a vacation at least once annually. Annually is an adverb of time, an adverb of frequency which indicates some routine. I usually shop for groceries on Saturdays, usually indicates some routine or indicates how frequently something happens. He is often late for work, often indicates how frequently something happens. We seldom see him, seldom indicates how often something happens in this fourth sentence. So, annually, usually, often, and seldom are adverbs of frequency used in these four examples to exemplify or signify adverb of frequency. The fifth kind is interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs give interrogative sense. The first sentence here is: how did he do this? How gives interrogative sentence in this sentence, indicates quality or manner as well or signifies, and modifies the verb do. How many persons came? How indicates number and gives interrogative sentence in this second sentence as well. When did he come? When indicates some time and modifies the verb come. Where did he go? Where indicates place and modifies the verb go, at the same time gives interrogative sentence. Why did he say this? Why modifies the verb say and indicates cause. It gives an it gives an interrogative sense in this sentence. So how, when, where, why are interrogative adverbs which give interrogative sense in these sentences. The sixth kind of adverb is relative adverb. A relative adverb not only qualifies any part of speech except a noun or pronoun, but also connects sentences. A relative adverb modifies any part of speech. One point. Second is it connects sentences. It also connects sentences. So these are two distinct features of relative adverbs, that they qualify any part of speech and they also connect sentences. Below are a few relative adverbs: as, how, then, when, where, while, why, whereas, and whereby. Here are these some examples to in which we have made use of relative adverb. The first sentence is I don't know where she was born. Where connects both these clauses and it also modifies the verb born. This is the place where he died. Where connects both these clauses and it also modifies the verb died. This is the house where I grew up. Where connects both these clauses and it also modifies the verb grew. And the fourth example is the moment when I saw him, I started to laugh uncontrollably. When indicates time and it modifies the verb saw and it connects both these clauses. These were four examples of relative adverb used in these sentences. Dear students, you are most welcome. If there are any questions, inshallah, we shall come up with next lecture very soon. Thank you. God bless you.